See the deer, Daddy. See the deer, Daddy.
Where are the deer? Can I point to the deer? Point to the deer.
Ew.
Where are they?
They're right here by the tree.
What are they doing?
They're in the grass.
They're eating grass? What are you What color are their tails?
Oh, ew. That's white and white.
Gray and white.
White, black, white.
Look at that one, he has big antlers. What do you know?
Shh.
No.
Count the deers. How many deers do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. 1, 2, hold it, Daddy.
Peek through the holes. Look through the holes at the deer. Look. Noah, look through the hole.